Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you share photos or videos to WhatsApp as document without losing its quality. So it's very simple in Android, but you have to do some process in iOS to send as document. So open that photo you want to share. For example, I want to share this image as document without losing quality. So I will just click on this share icon on the bottom left corner. Now scroll down and you will find the option of save to files. Click on it. Now you have to choose a folder to save. You can choose iCloud Drive or you can save it on your iPhone. Click on my iPhone and here you can select the folder. After that click on save on the top right corner. Now this photo is saved in your files. Here you can see, and if you want to share it on WhatsApp, then you have to open WhatsApp. Now choose the contact and then click on this add icon. Then click on document. Here you have to go to that folder you saved the image. Then select the image and then click on open. And then click on send. Now your image is shared as document without losing its quality. You can do this same process with the video, and this is how you can share any image or photo as document on WhatsApp. Thank you everyone.